Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Bitcoin on your Trust Wallet. So Trust Wallet is a crypto storing wallet. Not just that, you can also buy crypto in it. And Bitcoin is a crypto, so you can easily buy it over here. Alright, so let me show you the way and how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, open your Trust Wallet and click on buy. Once you click on buy, choose Bitcoin over here. Now once you're over here, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. So I want to buy around $50 worth of it, so the purchase needs to be minimum $50, so I'm gonna write 50, and I'm gonna choose the method of payment. So it's MoonPay, but I can change it by clicking on it and choosing any other method. Alright, so let's go for Simplex. Click on next. It's gonna take you to Simplex because I chose Simplex, but if you chose other method of payment, it's gonna take you to other websites. Alright, now it's taking me to the checkout page. Over here I need to enter my card detail. So after I enter my card number, its expiration date, my card's name, and click on next. And yeah, make sure to tick mark this. Alright, after entering your card detail, tick mark this, click on next. If the detail you entered is correct, then $50 is going to be taken out from your card for buying the Bitcoin. Alright, and you're going to receive this much amount of Bitcoin. Some amount is going to be charged by the company for like their service. So Simplex charges some amount and MoonPay charges some amount. Like different sites have different amount of charge they are going to charge. Alright, it's not same. So yeah, that's basically it. You choose the payment method, you enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, you come over here, enter your payment method, click on next, and it's gonna be bought. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.